Hello, Gems. My name is T. Welcome back to Gem City Budgets. And today's video is my mini savings video where I have 6 saving challenges. And there is a little bit something different today. Instead of my normal $50, I have $100. And that's because I am a little behind on my videos. And to kind of catch up, I need to double the amount this week. So I have 4 $5 bill as my savings boost, and I am just going to mix these fives. Mix these fives up in here the best I can. Like that, something like that. And instead of putting 2 bills on a saving challenge, I'm going to put 4. So hopefully that works out for me. We shall see. All right, so let's roll our 6-sided die, and we're going to 5. All right. Hopefully this won't be too much. We shall see. Okay, 5. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. 2, 3, 4. That's 2. 2, 3, 4. That's another 4. Okay. Hopefully this goes kind of quick. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, so with my new hours at my job, I'm still trying to adjust and figure out when is the best time to film and have videos come out. So that's taking a little bit. All right, can we get some more to 1? Okay, yep, 2, 3, 1. All right, 2, 3, 4 to 3, and the last 4 bills is going to 2. Perfect. All right, let's see. Let's see. All right. So this first one is created by Party Planner Papery, and each lemon I made $2 and it will save $30. All right, so you got 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, $24. Almost done with this one already. So 24. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. Perfect. So we just need $6 more with that one. I definitely need to cash condense that. So next we have this saving challenge created by Plan to Save Designs. And let's see how much we got today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, $16. So let's do 3, 6, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Did I say 16? Let's hope so. Let's see how much. I'm not going to count how much total. Nah, that's going to be way too much. All these ones. Or you guys, are you ready for it? Okay. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. So $30 so far. And it just need $2 more. Okay, not bad. All right, next we have budget with Carly. Each butterfly is $2. I did get a savings boost. They got 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, $16. Is that the number today? 16, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. All right. So that's 16, 17, 18, 19, $20. So halfway there. And if you're new here, I do use this money in my revolving sinking fund. So that's why there is real cash in here and not prop money. So this one is created by Bookish Mama Budget, saves $30. And it got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, $12. So let's see. We got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Oh, so close. Oh dear. So I just need $2. So that's 12. Oh, let me go ahead and count this. 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, $28. And that's correct because it says 30. All right. Next is Life's a Peach, created by NASA Budgets. And today got 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So $12. Let's do 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Oh, and this one only needs one more $1. What? Did I do that right? 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yeah, okay. So this one only needs $1. So next week, we definitely be finishing a lot of challenges. So this one got 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, $24. So it's going to save us $25. All right. Next, last but not least, is Budget with Carly, saves $36. And today it got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, $20. That is a big one. Let's see, 20. So we got 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. It only needed 14. Wow. And it says 36. So, what'd I say? Oh, dear. I forgot. 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And let's make sure this is 36. 5, 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. Yes, gems. That is a completed challenge. Yes, yes, yes. That is, I believe that's the first one for the month of, what's the word? June. So I have to put a saving challenge in here. But let me go ahead and see what I have. Let's do another budget with Carly. Why not? Let's do this one. Perfect. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, $6 left. So I can either finish this one or and that one. And this one. Oh dear. Or this one. We're gonna hold off on this one. All right, let's see. Let's put $2 in here. So 1 and 2. And let's go ahead and see how much we have. We have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. $32. Let's put 32. Perfect. So gems, that is another completed challenge. I am reaching for a paper clip. All right, and let's see. I think I'm gonna have to get some more challenges. We'll hold off and put that, just put it here. Oh no, put it here. All right, this one needs $2. This is created by Bookish Mama Budget, so $2. I am happy, gems. I'm so happy. All right, so this saves $30. So 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. Another completed challenge. All right. And this one just needs $1. So boom, $1. So let's finish this one. Perfect. And let's see how much did I put? Yeah, I put the dollar here. So 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. What? 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So this was a cool $25. And let's grab another paper clip. Yes. And so we have a lonely dollar. So that's $2, $2. And since this one is $1, the new one we put in, we are going to put that dollar over here. And it says 50. So let's go ahead and color in $1. Perfect. All right. Hopefully that didn't stress you guys out. So I need to add 3 more new saving challenges in here. And I was able to finish not 1, not 2, not 3, but 4 saving challenges. Let's add that up real quick. I just want to see 25, 36, 32, and 30. $123. Perfect. All right, I will add this into my completed saving challenge little pouch, and at the end of the month, I will see how much we saved for the month of June and reallocate that into my revolving sinking funds. So thanks everyone for your love and support. If you want to continue to follow me on this financial journey, please subscribe to the channel and share with a friend. And remember to stay magical. Bye, gems.